large tornado. Holy crap. Can you take a picture of your phone? My camera's dying on this for some reason. Send it to me. Okay. Wow, it's a nice one.
Beautiful.
Camera likes it. Very nice tornado. Looks like we're eating steak tonight. I had to call this in. Still going. Hey, I'm Storm Chaser. I'd like to report a large tornado on the ground. Hello? Hey, I'm a storm spotter. There's a large tornado on the ground right now. I'm just south of Picacho, New Mexico. I reported the funnel cloud and you tornado warned it, but now there's a very large cone tornado. It's been on the ground for at least 5 minutes. Yeah, it's hauling ass, moving northeast. Yeah. Alright, thanks, man. I'll try to send a picture to you guys. No, I'll just tag you guys. That's okay. Alright, thanks, man. Bye. My tornado! Yeah, I reported it. Nobody saw it. We're the only ones that's seen this tornado. I called it in. Woo! Man, this is the worst time for my camera to start acting up on this.
No kidding.
For fuck's sakes. Did you take a picture?
Yeah, I
Can
took
you, like,
several. Yeah, for sure.
That's the best tornado I've seen this year. The rain's wrapping around it now.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at the right side. It's a strong tornado.
Holy shit. Sending it to both with you in there because it's your tornado.
Yeah.
Had you not moved, I would have gotten you one, or gotten one with you smiling like it's my tornado.
You can hear it. You hear that?
Yeah, you can.
What?
Large. You hear
You
that?
can hear it.
It's a strong tornado, man.
Yeah.
It's like, that's like EF2. Hey, Paul, let's go, man.